Track 46.
The place where I really enjoy shopping is Covent Garden Market. It's very convenient because it isn't far from where I live. It isn't a traditional food market, though at one time it used to sell fruit and vegetables. Now it's a collection of all sorts of independent shops and stalls. There's an amazing selection of things to buy: clothes, jewellery, books, art, and crafts. I love it because it has a great atmosphere. There are cafes outside in the square, and often you can see street performers. It's very lively and friendly. I avoid the big malls because they're often out of the way. You need a car to get to them. And what do I enjoy buying? Well, I'm keen on fashion and like to go clothes shopping whenever I can. I love trying on clothes even if I can't afford to buy them. And I absolutely love going to the sales. Sometimes I manage to find great designer shoes at very reasonable prices. And I like shopping for really fun and original gifts for my friends, things that nobody else has. Covent Garden's a great place to do that.
Track 47.
You asked me to describe a place where I like going shopping. So I'm going to talk about a department store in my town. It's called Judy's, and it's a very old store. In fact, it's about 100 years old, so it's very famous. I would say that it's a landmark because everyone knows it. It's very large and spacious too, with 4 floors and more than 30 different departments to visit. You can find anything you want here, such as unusual presents for your friends. And you can buy really good food too. For example, you can buy traditional cakes and sweets that are famous in my area, and they are delicious. It's an amazing shop, but it's not cheap. In fact, it's one of the most expensive shops in the area. I think it's in a good location because it's right in the center of the town, which is very convenient. It's also very close to the railway station and a multi-story car park too. So that's good for you if you have lots of shopping bags to carry. What do I like to do there? Well, I really like spending time in the jewelry department. And this is on the ground floor of the building. I love looking at the different rings and necklaces. I enjoy trying them on too. I like gold jewelry the best, but I can't afford it. Why do I like it so much? Well, I like the atmosphere in the store because it's very traditional. All the sales assistants are very friendly and helpful too. Yes, it's a really good store, so that's why I spend a lot of time in it.
Track 48. 1.
I love shopping at the Galleria. It's amazing.
2.
I wish there were more places to go shopping where I live.
3.
It's a pity that so many shops here have closed down.
4.
I'm really excited that they're building a new shopping mall.